there, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica. I'm an independent sales representative with Avon, and today I thought we would discuss my campaign 17 purchases. So let's put on the glasses and get started. Okay, my first purchase. If you watch my channel, you probably know that I love these FMG liquid eyeshadows. I think they are amazing. I don't like all the colors or all the finishes. I think the glitter ones are a bit too much for me, but this particular one, this one is called Crystal Lilac, and it has the most beautiful little sparkles in it. It has blue sparkles and pink sparkles and silver sparkles, and it's just beautiful. And it's like a party on your eyes. And I have to be kind of in the mood to wear this because I'm more of a neutral eyeshadow wearer, but this is just gorgeous. You probably won't be able to see the sparkles on camera too much. No, not really, but I'm telling you, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this, and I think I bought this because another rep was saying how much she liked it, and I was like, oh, I gotta try that. So I got it, and it is beautiful. She was right. All right, let's see, what else are we talking about today? We're talking about some jewelry that, oddly enough, I mean, I've seen this in the book many times, and I did like it, but it wasn't until Avon just had their convention this month, and one of the presenters was wearing this jewelry on stage, and you could clearly see it, and it was so pretty. I had to get it. So the set that I'm talking, she was wearing both the necklace, the earrings, and the bracelet. And she was wearing the 4-leaf Mother of Pearl collection, and it's this one right here. This right here. This was just beautiful. It was just so pretty on her. I absolutely loved it. So I bought the bracelet. I do like the necklace. I don't really wear drop earrings, so I'm just kind of a stud girl. So I didn't buy the necklace, but I did buy the bracelet, and it is stunning. It is really, really beautiful. It is so pretty. This is the little mother of pearl. It has just like little crystals around, and it's a kind of a toggle bracelet pull-on. It's really, really pretty. So I got that, and then because it's coming up to fall, I'm kind of looking at my fall makeup and kind of moving away from like the light pinks, and I wanted to get a deeper toned blush. So I picked up the FMG Glimmer blush, and this is in Cranberry Crush, so it's pretty deep. I think it's probably deeper than I originally thought, but let's swatch it. I did swatch it earlier. Let's see. Wow, really, really pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it has just the most beautiful sheen to it. My hand's a little, my arm's a little, it looks like it's not swatching very well, but my arm's a little sticky because I used a makeup wipe to wipe off the eyeshadow swatch. So my hand's a little tacky. My arm's a little tacky. So it probably doesn't swatch as well as it will when it goes on like a drier skin. So that is good. And then I also bought a little bundle. And this was in campaign 17, but this was featured earlier in the year. This is the Avon Senses Gratitude. This is the Lavender and Cedarwood. These are the shower steamers. These are really nice. This is a nice little thing to just do for yourself. They don't last a really long time, like, if your showers, they last maybe 5 or so minutes, 5-6 minutes. But it's such a relaxing, delicious scent. I loved it. All right, I have used these, so I wanted to get another set. And then, so if you bought these two, this is the diffuser. This is the one that comes with the little reeds. And I bought this for a bathroom. It doesn't have a lot of throw to it. Like, a candle has a lot of throw where you can smell it throughout the house. This kind of remains in its little area, which I kind of like. So I will put that in a bathroom, but bought those two. I got a bath salts for free. So definitely Avon has the best bundles. I love their bundles. If you want to keep up with their bundles, I'll leave links below. If you need a brochure, just let me know. I can send you one, and that's how you can kind of keep up with all the sale items that Avon has to offer. That's probably one of the best things about Avon is their bundles, in my opinion. I love their bundles. In fact, I bought another one, and I'll tell you about it in just 1 second. So, and you'll see why I bought it. If you've stuck around and you know me a little bit, you'll probably know why I bought it. But that was what I bought for campaign 17. And coming up, of course, is then campaign 18. And yes, just ignore these. You can't see those. I have a lot of stuff that I want to pick up. But one of the features in this is that is coming up is the FMG Color of Love Lip Butters. I am wearing this color right here. This is, I'm not sure, this is Lavender. And what these are is they're just these thick, they're a bit thick, glossy lip colors. And you just hit this 3 times, go 1, 2, 3, and the lip color comes up and you just put it on. Let's see. And they're nice. It smells like, has a beautiful vanilla scent, which really kind of reminds me of like a MAC lipstick. So if you like MAC vanilla scented lipsticks, you will like this. And they are a thicker lipstick, a lip balm kind of, but it kind of is a lipstick and a gloss all in one. So that's why I bought all of them. All the colors are great. They're light enough that I think if you bought any color, you would be super happy with it. They aren't super pigmented, but they have enough color. They have enough color that you know, they add something to your makeup routine, like, you know, something to your face. Like I like to have a little bit of color on my lips when I go out the door. So I don't no chapstick, no, and no going without something on my lips out the door. You know, I need to have something something there. So these are great. Love them. Coming up next this campaign, which is I think they're available August 30th, I'm pretty sure. And then the campaign after that, which is where I got this bundle, coming up in campaign 19. Now as a rep, I get to buy things ahead of time so that I can tell you how awesome they are, and I couldn't let this go, and I had to buy it. And if you've watched me for a little while, you kind of know why I had to buy this. So this is the Wow deal. It's a 5-piece deal, and it is, let's see, the customer price will be $40, and the retail price was $131. So what you get in this really cool bundle is the PropoliThera shampoo and conditioner. I mean, look at how huge these are. These are 16.9 fluid ounces or 500 milliliters. These are great. I kind of got into this when I bought the styling cream, and I love the styling cream. Then I ended up buying the hair mask. I loved the hair mask. And so I'm on to the shampoo and conditioner. Now these do come with a pump and a cover, so you're not pouring it out from here. That'd be crazy because they're really wide mouth. And the next item that really kind of caught my attention was this product right here. This is the Anew Platinum Eye and Lip Cream. And I was like, oh, what is this? And so the thing that caught my attention was that this contains Paxillium technology designed to help stimulate the production of Paxillium, a key skin protein responsible for youthful cell shape. So I'm like, oh, that's interesting. I am kind of interesting. So I looked it up, and it's true. Yes, Paxillium is a protein that helps retain the shape of youthful cells. So I'm like, okay. Oh, let's see. What is this? What is this fun toy that I need to play with to get rid of some lines and wrinkles? So it is a little container like this, and you have this fun little applicator, which I think I'll play with. Why not? Of course, you know, I'm 57, I'm postmenopausal, you know, all the lines and wrinkles are they're not going to go away, and I don't expect them to go away, but I expect them to be softened. So hopefully this will soften some of the lines, you know, that I have in my lip. You know, I have lip lines and definitely have, like, you know, wrinkles in here. You know, it is what it is. I'm just happy to be alive, you know. I can live with some wrinkles. So yeah, so that comes with that set, and then this also comes. This is the Rice Water Bright Cleanser. This is not my favorite cleanser. I love the Belief. The what is it? The jelly cleanser is totally my favorite. But this was nice to have. And then this is what made me buy it totally. Like I had to have this. This is the Anew, the Power Serum. I love the Power Serum. I don't even know why I love the Power Serum. I just love how it goes on my skin. It makes my skin feel soft and smooth. I think this is, I finished one. I think this is my second or third one. I'm not sure. But this is the Anew Power Serum, and I love it. What can I say? And also coming in, is it 19? Oh, I think this is coming in 18. Hold on. Oh, I think I am. I think it's, I'll look it up and I'll leave it below. Because I'm, oh, it is. I did get a clothing item. I did pick up this blouse. Oh, is it right here? Is it right here? It is right here. So this is one of the blouses that Avon is having in campaign, which is, oh, next month, so campaign 18, and I love this. This looks so pretty on. I was amazed. Out of all the things that I've purchased through Avon clothing, this is probably my absolute favorite. This is so stunning. I just, it's gorgeous. It's kind of a silky blouse. It has a little elastic at the cuff, and it has a little drawstring, and which I don't think I'd tie. When I tried it on, I didn't tie this, but I loved it. It just says fall. It is so pretty. It totally matches my blush. So yes, definitely I would look into that if you're interested in picking up some fall items in your wardrobe. So that is it for me. Again, campaign 18 is coming up. If you would like a brochure, I will leave the links below, and I will send you one along with some samples if you're interested in some samples. So that's it for me. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.